Battat Deluxe Doctor Kit for Kids in-depth reviews. This product has 4.5 stars based on 7,739 ratings and 707 reviews. 86% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "This is fun playing pretend doctor. My son loves this set. He would take the stethoscope and listen to my heart and then become serious and they give me a shot. He loves it. This set has evolved his imagination. He uses these doctor tools with such finesse that even I am surprised. It's so much fun. Definitely should buy." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Cute stuff. Container was broken. Kind of disappointed the handle and one of the clips on the box was broken. Got it for my son for Christmas, so there wasn't time to return and get a new one. That's it.
Count again. One, two.
Is your girlfriend okay, Hector? She's okay?
She needs water.
Oh, does she need some water? Okay. Oh, that's so sweet, Hector. Is her ears okay? Look in that ear. Okay.